Do you guys see the title of today's video? Today we're going to be playing some Nico's Next Bots. And I love this game a lot, and I wanted to make a video of it, but this time I scream into my mic super loud. Hey yo, Freddy eating energy bar. Wait, it's a mug! It's a Okay, guys, okay. So guys, whatever you guys do not trust Freddy, okay? Because he's an imposter and he's... Okay. Hey! Let's say I need some mental help. Guys, so I found the best spot that nobody nexy bots can Tucci you. What, bro? You suck doodle, kid. Get a lot. Shane, why? I thought it was Okay, we're back. I'm back. Okay, so okay, nobody can touch me. Nobody can. No one's gonna mess with me because I'm a man. I'm a man of words. And no one can ever touch me because I own 58 alternative accounts. Yo, they can't touch me, bro. They gotta touch me from up here, bro. They can't touch me. I'ma get out of here, bro. This place is straight up doo-doo. Yo, guys! Anybody want to party? I said party! Not good! I said party, not jeez. Hey, Freddy! How the frick did I die? I'm in the same zone, bro! I'm in the same zone. How the hell did I die? No, actually, how the hell did I die? Okay, I'm running. Okay. Yeah! Bro, you can't touch me! Okay, that's stupid! No! This is stupid. Okay, I'm back. We're going downstairs to go grab my cup of coffee! I just needed a cup of coffee. Just a beautiful coffee. I just needed a beautiful cup of coffee. It's Sanic ruined my day. I'm gonna go spank Sanic with a spatula. Wait a minute, I don't think Sanic likes that. See you later, Ka.